What?
What's up, everybody? That's me, Oscar. I hope you enjoy it. So Jake I can't say him. So Jake is playing Roblox and he's doing a video.
Yeah.
And I'm doing an airplane video, which they know. Why? Because I'm stupid, that's why.
Oh yeah, guys, if you're thinking why can't I speak in it, it's because I haven't got microphone. All my microphones are broken on it. So
Yeah.
But literally, I'm testing out these weapons and they're amazing.
Yeah, today we will edit the new vlogs. So we'll have to go to Intro Maker, which is good. Then you go to Filmora.
My video's only going to last for a couple of seconds. Right?
Who was that again? It wasn't me.
I'm going to just quickly bomb this bit here. Okay, let's run. Okay guys, I'm just going to say it to them. Actually, I'm just going to end it. I love playing this game.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm quiet. But I'm so excited to edit this video. Because we got a new editor, which we won't tell you.
Because it's secret, top secret.
Yep.
Video done. I'm gonna exit this and go on here. I'm just gonna quickly edit my video.
I'll edit my video in a moment.
Yeah. Okay, keep on talking.
Right there, guys. So you didn't hear that sound out because when I'm putting the sound, you know what I meant. Whatever. We're doing Emergency Landing. Everyone, kill yourselves.
I can say new account. I don't know why. Yeah, we're just right now. I'm just editing. But this is actually really good. This SSL that I've got, but I can't like speak in it, so I'm so sorry about that. I wish I could. Okay, so
We'll do another airplane. Then we will be ending. This is the second one. Second level. Ooh, I don't know how to see, but look. That's cool. What I just passed. Oh my god, the big storm. I think we'll have to do emergency landing. I think that's what I will need to do. But whatever. We'll do that one more level. Then we will just the end of the video. I know it's for 3 minutes, but whatever. Stop saying whatever. Whatever, not forever. Oh no, I'm leaving that forever. Oh, it's raining. Wiper.
oh my god, guys, what can I tell you something? Basically, me and Oscar yeah, we basically
Called me freaking Oscar.
Yeah, we were basically, I had to do this thing. He wasn't really involved there. And basically what I did was it took me like an hour-ish, but I did it. And what I did was...
oh no, if I will have to land on here, if it will say, oh, we'll land in shortly, if it will, slap me. Alright, guys?
What?
Oh,
Can you come here and help me, Claire?
you can slap me, guys.
Wait, can you come there and help me, dude?
In a minute.
What the... Delete. I can't get one, but
What does it say? I passed it, but it says to reset it. Alright then, guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you liked and subscribed. See you.